Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we got a very special episode for you. I got two of my best friends with me. I'll let them introduce themselves. This guy over here to my left.
Oakley.
Look at the camera and say it so they can hear you, bud.
Oakley.
Oakley. And who are you?
Sawyer Olivia Harlow Funk.
Sawyer Olivia Harlow Funk. Boom, full name. There you go. All right, so this is my oldest son and this is my middle child, the Sawyer and the Funky Bunch girl. All right, so today we're gonna make a side dish for all of our barbecue, and that is cornbread. It goes perfectly with any barbecue, right guys?
Perfect.
Perfect. Do you like barbecue? Yeah. What do you like about barbecue?
I just like this
The smoky kind of taste. Sweet. What about you?
It's like meat.
You just like the meat. Perfect. Love both those answers. All right, so this is a quick recipe. Doesn't take long. 10 minutes of prep, 25 minutes in the oven. So first things first, you're gonna heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Is that hot?
That's hot.
That's hot. All right. I haven't ran this recipe with these guys yet. They don't know what we're doing. I'm gonna get them to do it, and I'm gonna teach them along the way. So I'm gonna swap out spots with my son here, and I'm gonna talk you guys through this. All right, so there is multiple ingredients to this, but it's very, very simple. All right, so first things first, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. Sawyer, what are the dry ingredients?
I think dry, that's what wet. Sugar is, a fun fact is sugar is always a wet. It's a wet. I don't know why, but I don't know.
Okay, and what do you think this is?
I think that's dry.
That's dry, and that's cornmeal, and that is 1 cup of cornmeal. So Oakley, toss her in the bowl. All right, that's done. That, what do you think that is?
Dry?
Yeah, well, what do you think the ingredient is?
I think it is, I forget the name.
Flour?
Yeah.
Flour. Don't forget to speak up. They can't hear you. They're not standing beside you like me. They gotta hear you through that screen. Toss it in there. All right, dry ingredient number 2. All right, Oakley's next one, but Sawyer, I want you to read this. What is this?
Magic baking powder.
Magic baking powder. So we're gonna do 3.5 teaspoons of this. Pass that teaspoon over to your brother. And Oakley, I want you to do 3.5 into there. Not heaping, just, let's see. So that's 1, yeah. 3 of those and a half. Now I'm gonna step aside and grab a bowl while he does that. After you mix those dry ingredients, give them a stir. Perfect. Mix it. All right, that's probably good. All right,
Mix it.
time for the wet. Set that aside. Who did the last ingredient? Was that Oakley?
Yep,
All right, wet ingredients. What do we got going on there?
We got sugar.
Yep.
I think this is oil.
That's oil, vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil and milk.
Milk. And an egg. Don't forget the egg.
Oh, I forgot the egg. And an egg.
Right. You know what we did forget? We forgot a little bit of salt. So we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt in there.
That's gonna be really salty.
That's the end of the dry. So there was 4 ingredients, I think, in the dry. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna add the egg to this. So smash that egg on the edge.
I'm kind of scared.
There you go. Just like old times.
Okay, you pour it.
You wanna do it? Watch out for the shell. You know how to crack eggs. There you go, perfect. Little piece
I
of
see
shell in
the
there.
shell. I see it over there.
Dig those shells out of there.
Can I go over to this?
Not yet. You're gonna get to be yet.
Oil.
You got 2 in there. That's okay.
Ew.
2. I still did. Okay, now what you're gonna do is we wanna whip that egg. Hopefully whip it. Get it broken up. Hard. Put some muscle into it, man.
Okay, my turn now.
Now you can do the other stuff. All right, so now as he's whipping that, Sawyer's gonna pour in the milk. Chuck it in there, hand me the container. Faster. There you go. Now you do the oil.
That looks tasty.
Add the oil. So the milk was 1 cup, 1 egg, 1/3 of a cup of oil, vegetable oil or canola, and we have 2/3 of a cup of white sugar. Yeah, you do.
Can I just spoonful it?
No, throw egg in there. Chug, faster. There you go, perfect. All right, so that's done. Now it doesn't need to be mixed too much, Oak. That's probably good. Now what you're gonna do?
There's a chunk of sugar in there.
You are going to pour the wet into the dry, and I'm going to grab you a spatula so you can mix that. We also need a pan. We're going to use a round for this. I'll show you why later.
Awesome!
Pour it in, guys.
Oh, okay. Yummy, yummy.
You get it all? Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, camera's still going.
So this looks awesome, guys. I'm gonna see if you guys can see it.
Oh, don't tip it, don't tip it.
I'm trying to make them see it. Okay, I don't know if you saw it or not because. Okay, I'm gonna stir first and I'm gonna pass it over to another stir.
You don't stir it on the bowl.
I know. Okay, your turn.
Make it forward.
Stir, stir, stir.
Oh, that feels really good.
Yeah, I know. It's like a. It feels like a gooey, hard kind of egg, but the inside of it, like a gooey, hard egg. Okay, grab some up with the spatula and show them. Ready? Ready? Okay.
Oh, it hurts my arm.
Oakley, can you say what you like about cooking for camera?
I actually don't have to.
You know? He doesn't know what he likes. I just like the flavor and texture, and I just like cooking it.
All right.
Daddy, what's your favorite thing about cooking?
I love food.
Me too.
You love food.
I love food. All right, guys. So
You love
before
food.
we pour that in there, we're gonna grease up our pan a little bit.
Can I do that?
Yep. I'm gonna pour it in there. You take this. So I'm gonna take a tiny bit of canola oil for them.
Can I pour the whole thing?
No. And then now you're gonna take this and wipe the edges and the bottom. Get it all coated.
Then I'll pour this in.
Once he's got it coated.
I'm just gonna stir while we wait. Because I think there's a little bit of chunks of
You
chicken.
good there, Oak?
Yeah.
All right. So now Sawyer, hand me that. I'll get rid of it. Get it all in there.
Okay.
That's shiny. And it's...
You need to hold the bowl, and you can do that.
Yeah.
Is that a special one or
That's just a wooden spatula, I suppose.
wooden
Cheap little thing from the dollar store.
Looks like a spoon.
Getting it all? Want help on this last bit?
I want to do it.
No, Oakley.
I'll let him do it. I'm just gonna help him get there.
Oh, so you're just gonna take
There
it
you
off
go.
the end. Okay, Oakley, pour that in.
What does this smell look like?
Yellow.
It's
Right.
like a yellowy. It looks like a
I
sunlight.
think you got enough. That's,
It's a
you get that last scoop there. You're good.
It's a
One
circle
more
pan
piece.
and it looks like the sunlight to the pan.
Okay.
Because it's yellow.
Now smooth that out a bit.
Yes.
That's good. No, a better way to do that, man, is just kind of do it with the top and the bottom there, and just kind of do that, and it'll settle. Okay. Now we've got here some roasted sesame seeds, black ones. Just you don't need this, but we just want to
We just like it.
coat the top. So now this is gonna go in the oven for how long? Do you remember what I said?
400?
400 degrees Fahrenheit. For how long?
36 minutes?
20 to 25 minutes. Not 36, you'll torch it. 20 to 25 minutes. We're gonna check it at 20 with a toothpick. It's good, or take it out. Round pan, I said why I would do it. It does, yeah. I chose the round pan because it looks good. You can go with green or green. Rectangle if you want. But anyway, we're gonna go throw this in the oven. We'll show you in 20 to 25 minutes, a couple seconds in your time when this is done. All right, so we took this out of the oven and it was in there for 21 minutes. I like odd numbers. So we pulled it out. Should we try it?
Yeah.
Should we try it?
Really want to taste that.
You want to try it?
Looks like a cake. I thought we were making meat.
It does kind of look like a cake. Oh yeah.
Okay. Have this.
That's the best part. Yeah, you got it.
Yes.
Give it a try, guys. Cornbread. Oh, you stealing some?
Totally still. Mmm.
I love this stuff.
I want this for snack.
Supper.
Yay. That's actually better than I thought
You've had it before. You've always eaten it.
I forgot what it tastes like.
Mmm.
All right, everybody. Sawyer, take us out. your normal way to end Sawyer and the Funky Bunch.
Oh. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe down below for more family videos. Bye.
And barbecue videos.
And for